Hi guys, it's Bebo here, and we are at a bonfire night. So let me just go get my cousin. Max! 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 Where are we? The bonfire. The bonfire! I'm going to be recording some fireworks. Oh my god, look at that bonfire. Oh my god.
No wonder
we're gonna die. We're gonna die. Max! Max! What? Run! Run! We're gonna die. We're gonna die. Oh. We won't. Hope there's no mazes then. Oh yeah, listen to this. Listen how dumb this is. You're not allowed to take your own sparkers in. Sparkers. Because they're health and safety. It's very dumb. I'm going to be videoing some of the fireworks, and you're going to see how sick this night's going to be. It's going to be so good. And the only bad thing about it is there's no toilets, so it's got its ups and downs. And we're at this short place. Da 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 da. The fireworks start. We're at the car park bit, and the bonfire's already set off actually. So my hand's cold, so I made to stick them in the fire, you know. Oh, they do have toilets. I'm not going in them. I am not going in them. And there it is. There's the fire. The fire. The fire. There it is, boys. Hey, Burger Shack! Burger Shack! Hey! Dad, what is it? It's a Burger Shack! It's a Burger Shack!
Burger Shack with a bloody long queue.
Oh my god, guys, look at that queue. No, Dad, get out. No, it goes all the way down here. All the way down here. Are you seeing this? Look how long the queue is. Look. All the way. Down here, that's a fire! The fire! The fire! Oh, sugar, I lost them. Damn it. Oh, sugar. Oh, yes, I found them. I found them. Dad, seriously, I found you because of your red coat.
Hey?
I found you because of your red coat.
Yeah, you won't miss me tonight.
Red coat. No. Oh, my hand's so cold. Yeah. Still, look how many people in the Burger Shack. There's so many people. So we had to walk all the way down the road. And there's no street path, so it wasn't the best, and my fingers have gone so numb. My fingers are so numb. Hey, there's fireworks on there. Can you see the fireworks? Can you see the fireworks? Fireworks! 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 Hey! Look, can you just see them? Like, literally, they're just in the massive clump of streetlights. Hey, Max, where are we? The bonfire. The bonfire. Now we're going to start going into the bonfire, and hopefully soon they'll start to get the fireworks on. Oh my god, I thought I was a person sitting on top of the chair right on top of the bonfire.
Oh, it's a guy.
But it turns out it was just the chair. So Dad, who was sitting in the chair?
Guy Fawkes.
Apparently, according to my dad, Guy Fawkes was sitting in the chair. Oh my god, look at that fire! Look at that fire! Seriously, look at that fire. Just look. Look at that fire. It's not bigger than me, bruv. Not bigger than me. I don't know if you can look over the people. You've got to look over the people. My hands are freezing, so hopefully the fire will warm them up. Oh my god, can you see all the sparks? Look at all the sparks. All the sparks from that. Boy, that could nick me.